because it's synthetic. But I plan to cut some of it off. I really don't have to have it this long. I don't mind having different length wigs, you know. And I'm a little bit easier to please than these younger girls, you know. As long as it looks good on me, I don't care who made it. I don't even get twisted about it. I'm just going to though. I feel like I would comb it better if I took it off of here. I'm just making some room for just combing the wig. Jesus. Look at all these combs out. But I just bought this. I am starting my own online boutique. And this was from my first order of wigs that were supposed to be human hair wigs, lace front, and some of them even 360 lace. That didn't happen. So I have spent my last maybe 2 weeks playing around on YouTube trying to figure out what I can do with these synthetic wigs. And I'm going to take today, Saturday here, and play with these wigs. First thing I'm going to do to this one is cut it. Let's just cut this. I got me a little do-all bag. Someone gave me forever ago that I'm finally getting to use. It's made into a wig bag. But because I don't know what length I want it to be, I'm just going to cut it to the table, knowing that this mannequin head has a long neck, okay? So I can fix the ends later. I'm just going to cut it for now, just to give me a little start here, but I'm not liking it, so it's too long. Let's just cut it off all the way at the base. And hopefully, when I say hope, I don't know, this is going to get rid of some of this that I can't cut. Comb through, man. This thing is just tangly, tangly, tangly. Since we just planned anyway and the money has been spent, we don't really have to worry about it. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot easier to do it this way because I'm not really concerned about making mistakes. For one, it ain't on my head. I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Two, it's not mine. Yes, it's not mine. I'd rather make the mistakes on this